Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Chileeeee. I am the CEO of Your Loc Muse. I'm working right now, so that's why I'm all over the place. Let's just start this over. Hey everybody, my name is Jasmine Chileeeee. I am the CEO of Your Loc Muse, but I also love all things content creation. And what do? I do all of this while being somebody's mama. So Monique, and I believe Mama Bird did ask me to film hers. Mama Bird, if you didn't, I'm sorry, because I held your order until today so that I could film. But I thought you had asked me to film yours. If you didn't, I'm sorry, but it got filmed. Just 2 orders today that I'm going to be showing you all. Oh, I will show you all the spiral tie that I just invoiced for, though, because if you missed that, I'm sorry that you missed it because it's so cute. But yeah, let's get into Monique's order as I fall over stuff, because I have stuff everywhere in this office. It is just me today. I'm a little scattered brain, because it's just me. I want to get out of here. I used to like when it was just me in the office, but I don't like that. I don't like that right now because I feel like I'm all over the place trying to do 8 things at once when normally I have at least one person here helping me with those 8 things. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into Monet, my girl Mo, period. That's what we're gonna call her. Let's get into your order. I just finished this one, so let me close this up. Let me close this up. I am going to try my hardest to get this video up and edited. Child, it ain't gonna be a whole lot to edit, so up and edit it, or edit it and up before y'all orders get to y'all. If I could just sit down tonight and do that, that would be perfect. But yeah, we'll see. So first up in this order is Black Your Way and Monique. I'm gonna start calling you Mo. Mo wanted black with cream, so this is how this one turned out. Are we ready? We ready for the big reveal? Okay, let's reveal her. Oh, let me get out of there. This turned out really cute, like really cute, very cute contrast. She also has an invoice live in this order, so the first couple of colors I'm going to show you all was through an invoice, so she did get a 22-inch royalty. The Black Your Way that I just showed you was also a 22-inch, so she got a 22-inch royalty. She got a 22-inch shamrock. Shamrock. She got a 22-inch beige abstract. Child, I done called this one so many different colors, so hey, she got this. This was only available in an invoice because originally it was supposed to be a part of the Muse collection, but sis got the boot. She didn't make the cut. And then Monique also got a 30-inch sage as a part of her invoice order. And then her next 4 spiral. Oh wait, nope, I take that back. She also ordered plum in her invoice order. Okay, and then these next ones she just ordered directly from the site. She got peacock. She DM'd us and requested that we put the pink and orange in her peacock, because peacock, if you all didn't know, was like 3 to 4 colors, but you only get usually 1 color based on the length of your tie. She also got peanut butter and Desert Storm. And then she got a mini oil sampler, which I need to go ahead and put together, but it'll be the mini oils. Monique, thank you for your, I don't even know at this point. I think this was order 21 for you. I'm not really sure if it was 21 or 24. I don't know, but girl, thank you for continuously shopping with us, because you keep us in business, okay? Period. Let me fill your oil, though. Let me do that. And then we will get on to Mama Bird. Oh, and I can show you all the difference because Mama Bird got 18-inch peacock. So you'll see. Sorry, y'all. I'm filling up these oils. Mama Bird got an 18-inch peacock, so you'll see that she got a shorter spiral tie, and it's only going to be one color because it's 18 inches. Had she got a 22-inch though, she would have gotten more of a variation. Child, I gotta go refill my oil. That's what I gotta do. This one is out. Okay, I need to go do that today. See, this would have been a quick edit had I just did this beforehand. Ooh, I almost knocked this oil over. I actually want to get a picture of his peacock because it turned out really cute. Let me get a picture of this over here. Whoa. Whoa there. Whoa there. All right, let me stay focused because these orders got to get out the door. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, Moni, this is so much stuff. Child, listen, this is too much stuff. I don't even know if I can close this, to be honest. Gotta put a little elbow grease in here. I hope this, Moni, I hope your thank you card do not slide out. If it did, comment and let me know. Ooh. Ew. Whoa there. We're gonna have to do a little extra taping. So let's see. Child, this is a mess. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This is a whole lot going on in this video. Hold on, y'all. Like, I need to be for real at all times, and right now I'm not being for real. Mona, you about to have you a time getting this package open because of the way I'm about to have to tape this close. Sorry. I'm having me a time. I'm having me a time. Okay. Monique, you're going to have a little different taping. I'm real sorry about this. I'm real sorry. Oh, shoot. How you going to scan this? I'm going to have to DM you this video because I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This is what I'm saying. My team got to be here at all times because... Oh, my gosh. What's happening? I need my team here at all times because I don't even know what just happened. But I need to be for real. I gotta. This is crazy. This is not a good presentation. But the good thing is though, Monique has been shopping with me since forever, so she know, and she's seeing it right here live in the flesh. That I don't know what just happened, Monique. I don't. Where the hell is your shipping label? Did I just... Girl. Not right now. Not right now. Mama Bird, let's get to you. Okay, so like I was saying, I don't hold my personality back, right? So yeah, this is me in the flesh, real life. Mama Bird, let me notch your ends. Did I? Girl, no, I did not. Okay, this is real cute. This is going fine. Everything's fine. Okay, so Mama Bird got Peacock also, but she got an 18-inch. And this is her Peacock. So her Peacock, as you can see, is different than Monique's Peacock because one, the length, and two, can you get the length? The length and the cut of the fabric. Child, let's focus. So this is actually really cute. Not that Monique's wasn't cute, because that was cute too, but ooh, almost knocked my camera over. Just got the dang old thing. Okay, I am looking for, that's what happened. Monique's shipping label is over here, and I didn't freaking close it up. Oh wait, no, I don't know, girl. Yeah, I'm a little all over the place. So needless to say, I'll never be doing a pack with me on a Monday ever again. But I had to keep my word. So yeah, I hope that you both love your spiral ties. And child, I'll see y'all on the next video, because I'm just out here embarrassing myself. Gotta go. Bye. Oh wait, until next time, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Okay, bye.